Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. These are Japanese tree peonies. Japanese tree peonies remain woody right through the year, not like our perennial peonies that die down. Flower in summertime, so late spring, early summer flowering, and the flowers are enormous in a whole range of colours. You can see how woody they are, really woody like that there. You plant them a little bit deeper than they are in their pots, up to about there. A little bit of super thrive planting fertiliser at the bottom, compost and soil on top, and the same back in around. And there are a whole range of colours. That's a purple, lovely yellow centre, pink, great fun to grow, and reliable, do very well. And of course, like all peonies, when they're in your garden, they're in your garden for the next 300 years. They're very long-lived plants. There's lavender and white and red, and that's our lavender again, and soft pink. I'm looking forward to planting some of these. Well worth planting, and the flowers are stunning and stand out from the crowd. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.